Because printed circuit board assemblies, or PCBAs, have become increasingly complex with finer pitches and a greater mixture of components, Z-Axis tests almost every board that we make. Modern PCBAs can have thousands of different components, and sizes are getting increasingly smaller. Component suppliers sometimes mismark reels too. All of this makes electrical testing more important than ever, but also more challenging. Manual testing can introduce human error, and automated flying probes can't always test finer pitches. With our state-of-the-art equipment, however, Z-Axis performs electrical testing reliably and efficiently. At our manufacturing facility in Phelps, New York, this Micronics pick-and-place machine grabs the first part of each reel and puts it on a test bed. If the part passes, the robot places it on the board. There's a variety of test pads for different types and sizes of components as well. For through-hole parts, there's a radial inserter that verifies the type of component leaves. After a board is populated, it enters a reflow oven. Measuring the volume of solder paste helps to ensure reliable connections, but it's also important to avoid creating solder bridges with inadvertent connections. That's why when the PCBA leaves the reflow oven, Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI, checks the reflow. AOI also looks for missing parts and measures component height to ensure that the right parts are on the right pads. Because our AOI uses 3D instead of 2D imaging technology, it can also capture hard-to-detect problems, such as black parts that are missing from black boards. For bare power supplies, we put the board on a bed of nails for red light, green light testing. Z-Axis engineers can design test fixtures for boards as well. With the digital boards that we build, we can apply power and measure the rails and input. For especially demanding applications, Z-Axis also performs environmental testing down to -40 degrees Celsius. With our investments in testing technology, Z-Axis is able to build a large variety of boards and with increasing complexity. We've reduced our defects each year so that we now produce far less than 1% defective boards. Contact Z-Axis to learn more.